Today's recipe is a very yummy spinach curry recipe. This is basically potatoes in spinach gravy, which tastes absolutely delectable. Hi guys, Soumya here and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, as I keep bringing finger-licking vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. Also press that bell icon so that you get the notifications right away as I post a video. We'll start with blanching the spinach leaves. So keep some water to boil, and once it reaches the boiling temperature, put all the washed and cleaned spinach leaves in the boiling water. Let it sit for hardly 2-3 minutes, then take it out and immediately transfer all the leaves in ice cold water. Now this step will ensure that the vibrant green color of the leaves will be as it is. Then transfer all the leaves in a blender jar and make a smooth puree out of it. Alright, so see, our spinach puree is ready now. Now let's move on to the next step. Take 3 potatoes. Peel them all, then wash it under running water. Then chop them into chunks like this. Once chopped, immediately dump all the potatoes in water, as they tend to oxidize very quickly and turn black in color if exposed to air. So fill the bowl with water so that the potatoes are completely immersed. Now take a pan or a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of oil into it. Once hot, add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi in it. Allow the methi seeds to turn almost black and then take it out and discard it. Now pour all the spinach puree in it and keep stirring for 4-5 minutes until its water starts to reduce. Once the water starts to reduce, add in the chopped pieces of potatoes and fry them until everything is dry and the potatoes get nicely coated in the puree. So see, it's been around 5 minutes and how nicely the puree is all dried up and is nicely coated on the potatoes. So take it out in a bowl, and in the same pan add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they change the color, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it until golden brown. At this stage, also add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and garlic or ginger garlic paste. Now here I have finely chopped 2 tomatoes in my manual chopper. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1/3 teaspoon garam masala. Add a dash of water, mix everything together and add it into the pan. Add some water and mix well. Then add some salt and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the masala will be all dried up and will look something like this. So at this stage, add in the spinach coated potatoes. Mix and saute everything for a few minutes. Then add in around a glass of water. See how nicely the vegetables are coated in the masala. So now add in the water here. Stir and mix everything properly. Let it come to one boil, then lower the heat and place the lid for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, open the lid and the potatoes will be all nicely cooked. So I'll show you. See how nicely the potatoes have softened. So that's it. Just take it out in a bowl. Sprinkle some kasuri methi, or you can also use chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Serve it hot and enjoy it with steamed rice, roti, paratha, whatever you feel like. So guys, if you like the recipe, please give a thumbs up and don't forget at any cost to subscribe to the channel. This is Soumya signing off. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.